Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make a flower made of paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a few sheets of colored paper, a pair of scissors, and some craft glue. A pencil and a small circular object like a coin or a cup will also be very useful for drawing your shapes. Now let's create the petals. Take your paper and use the circular object to trace multiple circles. Aim for circles that are about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. The more circles you cut, the fuller your flower will be. Carefully cut out each circle, ensuring smooth edges for a beautiful bloom. Time to give your circles some shape. Take one circle and fold it in half, then fold it in half again. This creates a small wedge. Now, cut a gentle curve at the outer folded corner. When you unfold it, you'll see a lovely petal shape. Repeat this process for all your cut circles. For the final step, let's assemble your flower. Cut a small, flat circle from paper to serve as your base. Apply a tiny dot of glue to the pointed end of each petal. Attach these petals to the base, overlapping them slightly as you go. Continue until your beautiful paper flower is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.